If them come in school with the vaccine, what you gonna do?
Just don't take it. Them have to go old man and foot them and fling me out because I not take it.
My heart's so cold, I think I'm done with ice. Birds, if I leave her, she gon' die. Well, bitch, you done with life. Okay, better not pull up with no knife, cause I bring guns to fight. So you got that sack, I got.
So watching your boy when I done in the dog. And I done see who they beside me now. See me in the previous video already now. But introduce yourself again now.
Yeah, don't know about still.
Don't know the 40 already now. So, question of the day, you know, dog. What do you think about the vaccine, dog? The one you reach Jamaica?
Brother, me be honest with the dog, I not take that, you see me? Well, I not a problem for take it, but Andrew Wellness, he have to take it before me. Forgive me the confidence to take it. But if him not take it, I not take it.
No joke about it, I'm see a point of view, you see me? Yeah, for this. Cause if such man not take it in a dog, why should we?
Such man not take it, so henceforth I not take it either.
No joke about it. I watch him ask the next question. If them come in school with the vaccine, what you gonna do?
Just don't take it. Them have to go old man and foot them and fling me out because I not take it.
Very wrong, yeah?
Yeah, take it, dog.
No joke about it, dog. Personally,
You got time down or something like that, boy. Hold you. Like all of them stray dog there. Something like that.
So what you know what they out in a dog?
You don't know, say your boy JT is eating what they out.
Tear that plus, man.
You see the settings, alright, what you know now? My G, what your view on this vaccine or Faudine?
Oh, I don't know about it, you know. I don't too trust that.
I'm not wrong, your brother. So, I'm ask you this. You that take the vaccine?
No, you know, not if my life depends on it.
Because you know, be a foolish system of it. So, what would I give you the confidence for take the vaccine?
You see, when them say it 100% safe, then we will take it. Otherwise, I not deal with it.
Alright, watch another dog. I eat that in a dog.
So watching your boy when I done, you know. I don't know there, you know. Yeah, brother, you want to introduce yourself again?
1J, you know, Productions.
Yeah, man.
Brilliant boss.
Banging boss, yes, right.
Belly, you know.
Open. So watching the see question for the you know, dog. What do you think about the vaccine?
Well, the vaccine there, you know. Well, I'm not going to be biased, but the vaccine, alright, to those who choose to take it, you see me, but the vaccine, I'm not going to really take it still, because booms me go take it, my immune system not strong. Me talk to no pan a real level, big man level. So me I say, boom me go take it now. My immune system not so strong, and then boops me go dead. My people me go ball, you know. So you see me? So but me have a good immune system, cause you know me solo me girl it them and thing. Eat up me can't yeah, fix up that. Can't yo. Yes, I have to consume the garlic them and thing. Consume your orange and your citrus fruit, them drink up your grapefruit juice and thing. You know, to build up your antibodies and stuff. And fight against the disease them and virus them, you know. And you know, yeah, you see me. So I'm out, you know the body.
No man, you're not done yet, man. Coming back now, man. Now I'm to you, dog.
What you say?
So me have one more question for you, dog.
Yeah.
Are you going to take the vaccine?
You know, so I don't want to take it still. If me have a travel still, I don't want to take it. I prefer, you know, there, I'll voice up my artist them. You know it go. Big up on yourself.
Out.
Alright, you don't know, say your boy JT again. I will there back again with
You know, Lord J1 done, you see me?
no joke about it. You know him from the previous interview, yeah. And the type of girl them where I'm like, but watch you know. Serious. Watch you know. A serious thing this now. Alright. Dog, tell me a view upon this whole vaccine thing.
So, you know, the vaccine, it's us, you see me, because you can't have a vaccine, you see me, or make in a 1 year and a handout in the same year. That don't make no sense, you see me. I not say they never did work on it last year, but it's us same way because you can't have a vaccine where you even start test out so properly, you see me. So all who not see take vaccine and them thing there, them goodly at test them, test it and know if it's good or not, you see me. And them people we don't know what happened to them until we see start happening. And we say, oh, just now. See that now. So the vaccine to me still won't take it. We
So yeah, basically I said the people them now I behave like elaborate.
Yeah, basically elaborate because every vaccine, what them say, supposed to get tested for 2 years. For 2 years, see me? And when it done now, them actually on it out. Because them know the side effects and them thing. For this, them don't know the side effects. It's just random anything happen, you see me? And that don't make no sense.
Yeah, I see what you say. Watch you big up yourself, you see?
So what you know, I boy if another and see how. I know we have beside you already. Incognito. You see me? So what you know, question idea, you know, dog. What do you think about the vaccine will reach Jamaica?
Nothing so we have a choice, dog. They made it, you know. To reach a place where them are going to tell us we have a choice, don't it? And then them are going to put restrictions. They might say, yo, we can't go to that if you don't take the vaccine. We can't enter a certain place if you don't take the vaccine. And
2,000 years later.
but them are presented to the public, you know. As I say, them are motivated to take it. And the public are going to think say them have a choice. But if them want to move forward in certain business and deal with certain things, them not have a choice. So it's inevitable, you know.
Get your point. Smart point. The next question is, you know, are you going to take the vaccine?
A few inches later.
Are you going to take the vaccine? Yes or no?
No, enough about it yet.
So you say you have to get enough information before you can.
I have to go read up on it more, bro.
But they sure them have valid information on Google or wherever.
And I Google link starts certain way, you know, so yeah.
I can't say 40 more. Let's go.
Alright, people, you don't know, say boy JT and what they are back with.
Sams.
So what you praying, dog? You see, vaccine them are reaching our country and thing. You see it? So what your view upon the vaccine them?
Well, personally, my view is normally when people make a vaccine, it normally takes years to develop, like the vaccine for swine flu. So, I'm not too sure.
As some know it, you know, dog. But you know, I think of the Spanish flu are saying, dog. You see people, you see them deal it and you see people still bend up and cripple up and all them something there, dog. So what you know, you are pre for take that?
No, personally, I don't want to take that. Because you can't make a vaccine so short notice and then all of a sudden, you know, everybody take it. And the things that it do to people take it so far make it worse.
So what would I give you confidence for say, yo, me I go take this, you know?
Well, personally, I don't think anything right now would make me take that vaccine. Just wouldn't take it.
Big up yourself, you know, though. Alright, you don't know, so we're there again. But what you know, we're going to get our view upon the vaccine, you see? You see, vaccine, it normally take a number of years to develop. Based on what they say, they have been working on it for years, but we all know, say, yo, when they say they might work on that for years, normally it not really go as planned, you see it? Normally, them can just say anything, you see it? Because look on the Spanish flu. Dog, I see a woman on the tube, dog. Cripple up so, dog, and bend up so and all them something there and turn also, brother. And them must say, oh, are the vaccine them they take for the flu, what you know? I am not trying to imply that it's the same thing in this situation. What me I say? All of the minister them take that thing first, you see it? You see, after when they take it, me know say, yo, me comfortable to take that after, you see it? Because I'm not willing here or come to school and depend on a thing like all this. My foot bend up, so I'm not do them something, you see it?
No joke.
Yeah, because I have a future ahead of me.
Well, personally, what me think about it, what I usually say, as him say, it take like a number of years. Approximately like 5 or 7 years for formulate a vaccine, you see. So, for this year, them say, oh, they might come in about one couple years or 1 year or 1.5 years for formulate a vaccine. You think that is a smart idea for just go take a vaccine? That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's not right. You see me? So I have to see the Prime Minister and persons in authority take the vaccine first and realize, yo, after time, you know, do them nothing, then we'll probably consider it. Probably if I consider, I'm still not going to take it because I'm just not. You know?
Yeah.
You see me? So,
What you
I
know?
don't think I go even take that though.
And people free for talk because they must say, oh, the government come on me yard with rifle and them something. What you know? Everybody have them view and me I give my view. I not say only for people we take it, but when me I pre the situation, me I say, oh, that's not really. That means they're not really pretty good. You see?
That's not right.
Yeah, that's not right.
You see me? So we can't do pre the way we see them. Other people are pre. As much as here is a vaccine where, you know, say, oh, them are come talk about your police will come in your yard and such, and you have to go take the vaccine somewhere, somehow. And as, you hear them, like, you know, like in Christians, them go talk about, it's like, what do them call it, the mark of the beast?
No, that's not mark of the beast.
No, that's what I say, like, for example, you see. So,
yeah.
like, them will consider it like that, but them not do that. You see me? Because we don't say, cause, well, we study them things that we know say that's not the mark of the beast. That's just some vaccine shit. You see me? So,
dog, when you leave phone
just don't really put it on the mind say, yo, it's a deadly thing. You see me?
Yeah, but just weigh the pros and cons.
You see?
Just see the advantage and the disadvantage them.
Real.
But more want to know for the leave phone opinion in the comment section.
Yeah.
You see?
Let me know what you think.
Yeah.
You see me? Because, you know, it's a great idea to get full opinion and see it, because as young youths, we are, what them call a word, you know?
What?
We are, I don't even remember the word. But, you know, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. They're the only way, which is genuine gang.
Yeah,
and
tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.